Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm at GT3 Porsche Auckland today. You can see that my GT3 has finally arrived. I'm super excited today because I've been waiting 2 years for the delivery of this vehicle. We have recently published a video sharing with you my process of getting the allocation, the waiting period, and also my spec for this dream car of mine. So if you haven't watched that, you can visit our channel to take a look at that. Many thanks to GT3 Porsche to allow me to unwrap this GT3 myself. You don't get to do this every day, so very grateful that I'm able to do this myself. It's a very amazing once-a-lifetime experience for me. So let's quickly look around the car first. So you can see on the side there are signage that shows you how to unwrap this car, and also warning messages of how low and how wide this car is. Let's move to the back of the car. You can see the large wing of the GT3. There's also a vent or opening on the cover to allow air to go inside the engine, because the car needs to be started and moved around during transportation, so you need air to go inside the engine. The twin exhaust in the center, and also there is a clear piece to allow you to use the rear view camera. Let's move to the side of the car. There are similar signage on the side to the other side. You can see this lovely looking 21-inch silver wheels that I've spec'd. Looks amazing. There is a zipper right here actually, so you can unzip this piece and access the door so you can get inside the car. There is a clear piece on the side window, so inside the car you can see out. This is really interesting actually. There is also a zipper here. You can open and access the fuel tank. So you can put fuel in it during transportation. If you need to move the car and there is not enough fuel, you can put a little bit of fuel inside if you want to. So you can see Porsche has put on temporary wipers to use them during transportation only. And these are just some codes and barcodes for the car. You can see it's made in Germany. The front wheel is 20-inch, again silver with red caliper as I spec'd. Looks really nice. In the front there are a couple of clear pieces in front of the headlights, so they can still function during transportation. So that's the overall look of the car still under wraps. So let's start unwrapping it. So let's start from the right hand side. This is my first time doing this. There was a mechanic that came up to show me how to do it. So basically down here there are a few straps. And we unstrap here. There's a clip down here. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Dirt from Germany.
German dirt. That comes with your car. That's a added bonus.
And we unclip here. Look at that. So that's unclipped. And we open here the zipper for the door.
Oh wow, there's actually a zipper.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Amazing. So open this up. Wow, look at that. There's a sticker here, I guess, for protection. So you open this up.
Sounds good already.
So
and
basically this piece here, you have to unclip like this and remove it. And also remove this. Close the door. And we have to do the same for the other side.
Yep. Let's go to the other side.
Well, actually, we can unclip this for the side too. So there is a clip down here. Clip. There's actually a plastic flap over here. You need to pull it out. So this can be removed. Unzip here. Very excited. What's up? Open the door. Wow, inside is all covered as well. Like the bucket seats. You can see over here. This is the front splitter.
Oh, really?
So it's not installed.
Oh.
They will install this later. Once we unwrap everything. During the PDI, they will install this. That's the carbon buckets. Should look very amazing. What's this? Very good. We're supposed to open this up, the bonnet, so we can take the bonnet wrap out. Let's try to do that.
So it's tucked into the bonnet?
Yeah, it's tucked in.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
If I can.
Well, it's such a like amazing protection, you know, for a car. Yeah, wow.
You should shoot this. This is the carbon bonnet. Look at the carbon weave on it. Amazing, eh?
The weave.
The weave looks good, eh?
It's so detailed as well, the carbon, because it's got all these vents and everything inside.
Wow, look at that. And it's matte finish as well. It looks really good, eh?
That's amazing.
Very amazing.
And it's very light as well, right?
Yeah, very, very light. So I clip this. Clip here. Clip here. Clip these guys.
You know, the thing
it's
is...
actually quite labor intensive,
It is,
isn't it?
yeah. It takes a lot of time. You know, the thing is with these German cars, you just know that this was someone's job to design a protection
exactly,
for this car.
And to wrap it as
Yep.
well, yeah.
That was literally their only job, was to just to do this.
I think they told me that this part is a bit hard to
Oh, yeah?
unwrap.
Okay,
I
yeah.
think as long as we take this away first.
Yep. Well, it seems like you're doing all right so far.
Yeah.
You might have a new job soon, Frank.
For a first timer, right? So we can pull this down. Look at that.
Nice.
So you come here, you can see that this is really tucked in. So that corner holds the whole sheet in place. So you have to pull this and pull this out so it's released. Let's see what's inside the front. Huh? So we have what's in here? Oh, this is I think this is the arrow, the front arrow. They have to install this later. You can see the fins right here.
Yep, looks like a bit of error, yep.
Here are the wipers.
Oh, the actual wipers?
Yeah,
I was wondering why they were blue.
Temporary wipers.
Oh, right. Wow.
We'll put this aside, eh?
Yeah.
And
You've got harnesses.
The 3-point harness.
You've got harnesses?
Look at that.
Why do you have harnesses?
Because it goes with the Club Sport package.
Wow.
Although, you know, I'm not a track guy, but
maybe one day.
yeah.
Well, now that you've got a GT3, you've got no excuse.
Exactly. So what's this? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, this is the extinguisher.
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Nice.
Heavy.
Does it rattle?
Not like my Siege. So, yeah, that's the front.
I love how these Porsches have a really big frunk.
Yeah,
it's
quite
super
practical,
useful.
isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really practical.
Yeah, it's quite deep, eh?
Yeah.
Very deep, quite wide.
Yeah.
For, you know, a short trip.
Yeah, because when I took my Exige to the wedding, Tien couldn't even put her bag in the Exige
But I think
with my
the
bag.
Siege one is actually larger.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. I think this is deeper.
It's deeper,
But in
yeah.
terms of width,
Yeah.
I think the Exige is actually wider.
I think this is wider, like front to back.
Because the Exige, I'm pretty sure it can fit like a full set of golf
Oh,
clubs.
yeah,
But this one
yeah.
cannot.
Yeah,
So
yeah, true.
It's a different design.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice. So I think with this guy here, we just tear it. Can we just tear it?
I suppose. I mean, you can do anything you like with it, right?
I think we can. I think let's open this up first.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's reveal the front face. Huh?
yeah, yeah.
Let's see it.
Move the extinguisher a little bit.
Oh my god, let's see this.
Move the extinguisher a little bit, Frank. It's in the way.
Sorry guys.
your big extinguisher.
I'm too excited.
You just want to see your new car.
Not doing my job very well.
Everyone's watching.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Wow, amazing. Look at the arrow.
Mm.
That hole is like, there's no wiring over here. I think this one goes to the brakes.
Mm.
That one goes to a radiator.
Some pretty big
That one
holes.
to the central radiator.
Mm.
I think this wire is for the arrow.
So you can adjust it, is that right?
I'm not sure. I don't think you can adjust it. But it holds this piece in place.
Yeah.
The front splitter.
Otherwise it'll vibrate.
Exactly.
Yeah, and
or
oscillate.
drop.
Mm.
Yeah. 2 holes right here to allow air to escape from the radiator. I didn't choose the special lights for this. This is standard, but still looks pretty good, right? Am I doing the right thing? Yeah, all good? Yeah.
Does he have a new job?
Alright, let's see. She's unwrapped. And it's quite dirty down here. But from Germany, maybe I'll collect it.
That's German dust.
Autobahn dust.
Oh, it's so light, this one. Amazing. Really, really light. Go. It's very labor intensive, isn't it? I'm like sweating. Hell. Yeah, that. Good. Thank you, Sam.
Probably some fun touch paint.
Alright. Flip this one.
Alright, it's time to see the...
Flat.
Yeah,
Flip this.
time to see the rear end.
Wow. Wow. It's actually quite dirty, eh?
Yeah.
Down there. Yeah. Flip. Alright. So,
We got it.
move this. Oh, go. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, amazing. I actually really like the red.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, because it goes well with the brakes. With the deflector right here. It's got some red accents. Oh wow. First time seeing it in person.
Excited?
Very excited.
Excited to drive
I'm
it?
very happy it comes with the Michelin cup tubes.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's a good
Some of
time.
them come with Dunlops or like P0s as well.
Yep.
So I'm glad it comes with the Michelin Time Sports. This is so cool. I like
Ooh,
this design. Yeah.
look at that. And it's got Alcantara on it as well.
Yeah, see, this is all they call it race tags
Oh, yep.
in Porsche,
Yep.
but just Alcantara. I
Pretty
guess.
much Alcantara,
Yeah,
yep.
that's right. And then, see, look at that. GT3 right there.
GT3.
GT3, look at that.
GT3.
This material right here, actually.
It looks pretty classy, yeah.
And fits well with the silver wheels.
Yep. Is it metal?
I think it comes as an option. You can spec this to be black.
Oh, it's actually made out of metal. Right?
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
actually think it looks better in this silver.
It gives you a bit more accent in the
Yeah,
car, so
yeah.
it's not just all flat black, yeah.
Yeah, let me just... Let's put it back.
Just do a little video and put it back.
That's right.
Just like tease everyone. Just be like,
It's
"Hey."
so funny. Oh, let's do this. Put it back.
I can't get rid of
thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unwrapping video of the GT3. I'm super excited and feel so unreal of getting this car after 2 years of waiting. So what happens next is the dealership will take this car to the workshop and get the pre-delivery inspection done. And they will also help me to get PPF done on the car as well, just to protect it from stone chips. So please subscribe and hit that like button and also the notification button if you like the GT3 and want to see more contents on it. I will be sharing with you a delivery video when the car is ready to be picked up, and also some of my first impressions of driving and owning this car. So please stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.